hello guys. So this is the market analysis for the upcoming week, which is the 10th of August until the 15th of August. Yes, 5 days trading analysis for the upcoming week. Okay, so this is the second week of August, and then which is the week after NFP news. So let's see what is happened that NFP happened to the market. So basically, the past data of NFP showing that it's strengthened in dollar, but it's not that obvious in appreciation in dollar value. But what we used to do is just look at the technical chart and then we just analyze as how we did before. Okay, so this is my key line level. So for AUD USD, first we go for AUD USD. So it's very obvious that market just following back the trend. So for AUD USD, I'm expecting the market to drop until this level, then I will go for a long trade. So now, as I know the market wanted to drop back to this level, I will go in lower time frame to find an opportunity, or find an opportunity to look for a short trade until this level. So I become a seller first. I bring the market to those buyers, okay, to those buyers. So I'll be bringing the market to them. So when I look into H4, okay, cool. Yes, setup form, and then market starting to reverse. So if in H4, I can see it wanted to reverse until this level, okay, until this level. So I'll be looking short opportunity and bring the market to this level and look for a buy opportunity if there is a reversal sign of market. Okay, so go for the next AUD JPY. Okay, so AUD JPY mostly the same thing. Okay, mostly the same thing. But one thing that we can see from this chart, okay, let's look into daily chart first. Okay, daily chart, we can see very obvious that market is reaching a very high, okay, resistant area. Okay, resistant area. And that's another thing that what we know as actually this level is a very good buying level, as we can see a lot of buyer actually buying here. So what I will did is, okay, I will find an opportunity as well, look for a sell opportunity to bring the market to this level. Okay, bring the market to this level and then look for another buy opportunity and bring it back upwards. Okay, bring it back upward. So everything I will be looking into, look for confirmation first. Okay, look for confirmation first. Without any confirmation, I will not do anything. Okay, not doing anything. So you may also have your confirmation, because some of the people, maybe they are basically trading on pin bar strategy. But one of the things you should know that even though there's pin bar, some of the time are having a fake pin bar, which means the pin bar is fake. So how you going to identify, is it fake or is it a valid one? Okay, so I'll be looking for sell in this. So for AUD JPY, okay, what I'm seeing is I expecting market to retrace until this level and drop. Okay, retrace until this level, I'll be giving a short trade over here. Of course, everything above what I'm saying is all come with confirmation. Okay, all come with confirmation. Okay, so AUDK, oh cool. Okay, so AUDK, can you see that basically market also reversed at the same level of here, okay, previous, which is, as you can see, this level market drop, and then when the latest market come to this level, it also affected the previous data, so market drop. Okay, so the same thing is overall. Okay, overall for AUDK, basically they are all in uptrend. Okay, all in uptrend, but just I'm currently seeing a short first, short until of this level, then the real big player will come in to the market, join the game. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing in AUD. Okay, so basically very clear, as you can see, overall it's a clear uptrend without any doubt, with no doubt. Okay, yes, basically AUD CHF is the same, as you can see, as long as the base currency having the direction, basically all their cross pair, or even all the pair with the same, we're having the same direction, the same move. So actually also they wanted to sell the market, bring until here, so we go up. Okay, we're seeing go up. As you can see, many of people will be seeing this, or this is engulfing bar, right? Engulfing bar. So they will buy. Okay, of course, when a candle close here, they will immediately buy and buy. As you can see, what happened now? Market just bring down. So a lot of people will be panic. So don't just seeing the candlestick pattern to have your trade. It's very dangerous. Okay, you even though this is candlestick pattern, you should know what is the story, how you can actually verify it. The same situation at here also. As you can see, this is what people say bullish engulfing. We not look into this kind of candlestick pattern very much. We need to understand the mechanism behind the story, why this happened, why this bullish engulfing formed, and how it formed, and then also how we can verify is it real or fake. So in this situation, yes, it's fake. If it's real, it should go up. Okay, it should go up. But as you can see, it go down. So which means it's fake. How you can verify how is it a fake or real one? We do have the solution. Right? We really have a study how we can actually identify so-called this, as you can see, bullish engulfing. Is it a real one or fake one? If it is a fake one, so we don't take it. So we are risk free from that. But basically, uh, if you are a trader, just blindly follow, you might seeing a lot of candlestick pattern on the website. So you're seeing, oh, there's a pin bar, there's a bullish engulfing. So after it form, you go for it, but without any verification or any studying. Why? Okay, so this is very important. So always look for knowledge than just candlestick pattern. Okay, very clear uptrend. Okay, very clear uptrend. Okay, so for this trade, Aussie, New Zealand. Okay, so as last week mentioned in this chart, we can see a very clear shoulder, head. Okay, it's shoulder form. So it will test here, so we can go for it. Okay, we can go for it. So currently, where I'm going to take the trade is. Okay, I'll be seeing this level first. Okay, this level. But market currently, okay, market currently reaching a very high price or history price. But I can see, as you can see, a lot of sellers are coming in. Okay, a lot of sellers are coming in. Right? A lot of sellers are coming in. So if you wanted to sell, it's not a very good idea. If you wanted to sell, it's better wait for a setup form then you go for sell. If the market just retraces to this level, I will look for only buy because there's no setup yet. But if there's a setup, then I will be looking to for sell opportunity. Okay, so the next will be our gold trade. Yes, gold trade. So for gold, as we seen, okay, for the past few weeks or even a month, okay, time from here lah, starting from here, it had advanced more than, like, as you can see, just how many candle, 15 candle, roughly is around 2 weeks or 2 weeks more time. It have rise more than 2,000 pips. Okay, 2,000 pips. What I'm worrying is this could be a bubble. Okay, this could be a bubble that can pop anytime. Okay, pop anytime. But before it pop, we look for buy opportunity as well. Okay, so market did really advancing too much. Okay, so for we can't have any data, okay, in daily to check it out. Okay, so what I usually did is I look for H4 or even H1 candle to look for our key line method and have a trading. Okay, so okay, so currently what I'm seeing is gold is able to continue drop. Okay, gold is continuing to have a drop, will be continuing. So my key level will be, okay, this level. Okay, so I'm expecting, okay, sell. Currently it's a safe sell because setup had already formed. Okay, setup already formed. Market wanted to change back to down. Okay, but overall, okay, to be need to have a clarification. Overall the trend is still in up. Okay, overall the trend still in up. So I am expecting market will drop to this level, okay, and form a setup, then going back up and reaching a higher price. Okay, so it could it maybe could take around 1 week time to reach this level. So for the upcoming week, I will look for sell opportunity. But if any setup form around here, okay, any setup form around here, then I could see a continued advance. But before that, market now in H4 based on H4 chart is in downtrend. Not downtrend. It's better go for a sell. Okay, so only we can sell until this level. Okay, it's advised. Okay, it's advised to sell until this level. But if any setup form, then we'll look into a different story. Okay, so in day one, it's still an very obvious, it's an uptrend. Okay, but this uptrend is not that healthy. Okay? It's not that healthy because this uptrend is just advancing like a rocket without any correction. So need to be looked into it. Okay, so the next pair where we go is GBP pair, which is Great British Pound. Okay, so Great British Pound, okay. So as you can see, overall is an uptrend. So maybe a lot of people will be afraid, okay, afraid by this drop. They think, okay, market go for downtrend only. Okay, but another thing is market, okay, haven't break the critical point. Okay, haven't break the critical point. This critical point is a very important knowledge that you know, which is the area that market really wanted to change the trend. So the critical point helps a lot. If market able to break the critical point, then market confirm or 90% change their trend. But now market haven't formed yet, haven't break yet. So we are going to see market drop to this level. Buyer will just come in for a buy trade and push it up. So as I know, market wanted to drop until here because I can see a so-called double top here lah. So market, I can see I could look for a sell opportunity, sell the market until this level. Okay, sell the market until this level. So based on here, where should I go for look for a sell trade? I'm looking into, yes, this level. Okay, this level, so maybe market can retrace another 40 pips to 50 pips before it drops. Okay, 40 to 50 pips before it drops. So we'll be dropped to this level, and then this level, I look for setup and go for another buy option. Okay, so GBP, okay, so GBP yen, same thing. Okay, market haven't break the critical point, so this level will be a very good buy. So this will be you can place your buy limit here if you want, because overall it's an uptrend. Critical point haven't break. Okay, critical point is a very good information for everyone. Okay, everyone to know. Of course, this critical point is our new topic in my course, which is very refreshing. Okay, very refreshing. And I can see after my members who are confused before by looking into trend, after he or she learned this critical point, they got a very good clarification and also a very good result. Okay, a very good result. Okay, so the next will be, okay, so GBP/USD. Okay, so GBP/USD, what is the story now? Okay, so we can see that. Let me refresh the chart first. Okay, so basically market are ready to be advanced. Okay, market ready to advance because market already break the seller critical point. So basically buyer are better in strong. Okay, which means buyer is more stronger than seller actually currently. So I will be waiting here to have a buy position. So of course, many of people will be buying here, but they targeting maybe a target over this level. Is it, there's no right or wrong where you are targeting, but the first target area that I know is this level confirm I'm going to go out if I have buy position, is because of this level there's a lot of seller are waiting. So advice is this level, the first level, you should get out first. Okay, you should get out, you should take profit first. Okay, so this will be look for buy opportunity is better. Then another is GBP CAD. Yes, GBP CAD basically overall is in a very clear uptrend with no doubt. If no doubt. Okay, very clear uptrend. But just this level is quite strong in seller force. So we can look for opportunity. We buy back the market, bring the market back to this level first. Okay, we bring the market back to this level. Okay, so basically I'm not very favored in GBP CARE, GB CHF or GB New Zealand because they are quite volatile in themselves. Okay. 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 So for this, I'm seeing something. Okay, seeing something. This okay, seeing something.
Lee, absolutely.
This is not key line. Okay. So but I'm seeing something like this. Okay. As you can see this channel pattern like channel. Okay, so what usually market happen this is because of market advance and then a correction and then they will advance again. So I will look for cheap price to have a buy and then highly potential it will be breaking out upside. Okay, highly in potential it's going to break out. So of course it breaks. So where I'm going to have my TP is this level. Okay, this mostly here. Yeah, that's why this is most of the seller are actually waiting, but it can just break higher than this. Okay, this is what I am expecting because as you can see, maybe you see here to here very near only, but if you calculate, there's close to like more than 100 pips. Okay, more than 100 pips. And the next will be GB New Zealand. Okay, so this will be okay. So this not very good to say. Okay, as you can see, if pin bar form, a lot of seller will be good, just sell, market just reverse up, and then a lot of seller are in trap. So what the seller will going to do for the next, maybe they will average their trade, which means margin tail. They will put more sell lot and then bring the market low to this level, this empty level, and then they will, I will be seeing an upside exposure. This for GPP New Zealand. Okay, so I believe that if you are really experienced trader, which means you are having a lot of experience in trading, you can analyze as how we PriceAction mastery did and also how our student teach, how our student analyze. Because in our way, okay, we are not teaching you any strategy, to be honest. Okay, strategy is come the second. The first is human behavior. As what I mentioned, always keep on mentioning human behavior, but basically there's not much people will get the understanding. They will just think of indicator or skill or strategy is more important than human behavior. But don't forget that you are also a human. Your emotion, your behavior will be directly here. Listen carefully, directly influence and affect the market decision. Because let's say you buy or close one trade, it will immediately the entire market movement. Because as long as there's the money, even though a little money will also give an impact to the market. Okay, so for this Euro JPY, yes, I will look for buy trade just over this level. Okay, very clear option. So I look for buy, but I will look for a confirmation. Okay, a confirmation, because if there's no confirmation, there's a potential of market can drag until this level and shoot up. Okay, so as you can see, how we usually did is we analyze it in a very easy way. Okay, easy way and a very fast way, because everything is just predict by knowing how normal people, how novice trader did, and how big player, which is banker, how they think to slaughter all the novice trader. So just think like them and you can be very good in trading, and also we look for long-term consistent profit. Okay, so the next will be Euro CAD. Okay, Euro CAD. Okay, obviously this is my buying level. Okay, this is my buying level. I will look for only buy over here. Okay. Okay. So if you are day one trader, you might be only wait for this level. Because why? Because this is a very strong support, right? Okay, very strong support. So only this level will be giving daily trader a very good opportunity. Okay, so if what we look into H4, yes, same thing with no doubt. This is so-called a very good buying area, or maybe market will be just having a spike and go up. As you can see, okay, as you can see, this is what we call as support, right? Okay, support. But if you buy here, market can just bring you lower than here and go up, because they know a lot of people will be buying at just purely based on support and buy. So the big player will just when you come to here, big player bring the market more downward and burst and hit your SL everything, and then they reverse back up. Then you'll be very emo in seeing the chart. Okay, this is how big player did. Okay, so if you really wanted to know how big player is playing around the market and playing with you and playing your account, so please do so. Comment below. Okay, this is YouTube video, right? You can comment below or directly WhatsApp us. Okay, WhatsApp us. Later on, I'll be placing the phone number so you can, if you are free, it's better we are advised to call us directly. Okay, call us directly. Okay, so this is 0 GPP. Okay, this is my key level. So we only place key line level. Okay, of course, some of that will be, if there's no key line, so we will be placing support. So this support, okay, as you can see, market test here. Okay, so as we can see overall, we can see market is in an uptrend. So what I will do is I will look for setup and go for a buy. Market haven't formed any setup yet for this. Also quite choppy. Market quite choppy. Yes, we can see this as a uptrend channel. Okay, uptrend channel. Okay, market is in an uptrend channel. Okay, so this is, we can see very climb or very clear climb America, so it can just reach until here and have a drop. Okay, so this is the level that very important to the market. I'll be saying it, this level. So market, if market really want to have a big drop like this, like how I expected, it must touch this level. This is the most strongest key line ever in this chart. Okay, in this chart, this is the most strongest key line ever. So it will going to touch this level and have big drop. So I'm be looking in this. So currently, buy is better than sell. So if this buy, which means GBP going to drop. Okay, very good. Okay, so for this Euro or C, okay. Yes, I seen something now. Okay, so a better buy. Okay, a better buy is over this level first. I will be for this trade is quite unique. Okay, yes, I know that overall is an option, but I will be wait for only two areas for my buy entry. Either the market come back to here and I go for buy, or I will be better. Okay, better and safer. Will be advised market to break this line, then retest, then I will go for buy. Okay, this Euro or C, because we can see overall in the daily chart, we already from a down and change to an uptrend. Yes, change to an uptrend, but this level is quite critical for market. So if in daily chart, in H4 chart, even though I buy, I just, this is the limitation, just the limitation, which is I can just play around this area. I cannot see very far. If it can really a big candle close above this level, then I can see a further upside exposure. Okay, the next will be Euro GBP. Okay, yes, yes. Sorry. Euro USD. So overall, as you can see, overall is an uptrend. Okay, overall is an uptrend, and then overall is an uptrend. So critical point haven't break. Okay, so I can expect market will just sell, have a short until this level, then a setup form again. Then we can see a further upside. So Euro USD look for sell first. Just a short term sell, not a long term. This sell, okay, this action for the sell action doesn't mean that Euro USD is going to change their trend into a down. Right? It's not going to say it's a change going to down. Still an uptrend, but just a short selling. Short term selling, sorry, short term. And Euro, we can see that yes, this is the level you want to reach. So look for opportunity to let it reach this level and drop. Okay, so usually as you can see, this is one of the trick, which is I will only teach my students, but today I give it free. So if this kind of chart, you see that there's still a little room market wanted to reach. So you use your own technique, okay, to find a way to just close the gap. Market, because if seller wanted to come in, they know that the market already reached a very close level. So you just bring the market and then the seller will catch up a better price to short it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so Euro New Zealand. So the next will be New Zealand dollar. Sorry, not New Zealand dollar, New Zealand pair. Okay, New Zealand pair. Okay, so before we get started, I hope that if you really benefit from this video analysis after you screen through all, so if you really benefit and then you think that really worth it for you, so I don't want your money. I just want you to click on a like and share, for to let others your friend to get this knowledge. Okay, which means I want to spread the message of human behavior really take a very important part in the market. No matter how good you are in trading, if you don't know the market behavior between the human psychology, you will never be very profitable in the market. So how I teach my member is I would only allow it's better to do this practice, only allow them to start trading, really start trading after they have go through and understand the entire human psychology which is happening in the market. So this is how I teach my student, and I can see the result. Those who follow really booming very fast. Okay, those who follow really booming very fast. Like one of my very top student making 30,000 USD in a day. Okay, what is the concept of having 30,000 in a day? I don't know, but she really achieved it. Okay, she really achieved it. So this is how human behavior very important. Okay, so for this New Zealand dollar, okay, so market reaching a critical point. Okay, market already reached the critical point, so can be looking to buy. So this is the first trade I'm going to recommend. But what I'm saying is not an trading idea. Sorry, it's not an tips or signal advice. Just for education purpose. This is what I'm seeing. This will be a very good buy area for me to entry a trade. Okay, so this New Zealand dollar, which is I going to recommend the first trade for the upcoming week. Okay. Okay. So if you want a better and secure trade in H4, what you're going to do? Okay. Maybe you're seeing this color, red, you'll be very scared. Okay. You'll be very scared. So if you wanted to have a better trade, you should look for a setup or any reversal that you know. Okay. A setup, right? A setup, or you come for our class, we're going to teach you. Okay. And then the next will be New Zealand dollar. Oh, okay, very good. Oh, okay, same thing. Market reached the critical point. So this is the area also. So for this week, New Zealand is a very good opportunity for us to look into for the could we say that entire week, okay, entire week. Because in New Zealand yen, especially in New Zealand yen, we can see that this is the high. Basically, this is the same high, and this is the higher high. So market keep on creating higher high and higher high. So obviously, we're going to look in the same eyesight. Okay, the next will be New Zealand CHF. Okay, so this will be looking to drop because of, as you can see again, New Zealand just now we have analyzed for it will going to be advanced, right? Advanced, okay, advanced. But this why it's showing a drop because of CHF, which is Swiss franc, is in strengthening. Okay, it's in strengthening. But this strengthening doesn't mean the base pair, which means the base of this pair, New Zealand, doesn't mean New Zealand is in weak, but just because of the currency behind it is more stronger than the front. Okay, this is a very simple thing. Okay, as I mentioned again, as everybody seeing this red, small red candle and a big blue candle, this is called engulfing bar. So many people will go and buy. As you can see, what's the result? Market drops. Also same as this condition, engulfing. Every going to buy and drop. So how are we going to verify it? Okay, so if you really wanted to know, okay, I'm going to establish a very good thing for everyone. Okay, I believe that especially for outsider, I'm going to give you a free consultation. Okay, free consultation. So how you create? So for this free consultation, you will get a 30-minute free consultation. Okay, 30-minute free consultation. 30-minute free consultation. Free consultation. Yes. Okay, free consultation. So you only limited for 20 seats. Okay. So what you're going to do first is you WhatsApp us. Okay, WhatsApp and type on a keyword. Okay, WhatsApp keyword will be PA. Okay, PA consultation. Okay, PA consultation. Sorry, consultation. Okay, by clicking a keyword and then I will be giving you a work. Then after you do the work, then come for our consultation service. I'll be advising on the consultation service. So WhatsApp number will be 018-288-2718. So this is Malaysian number. So our team will be assist on that. Okay, plus 6028. So this will be the consultation. Okay, consultation service for everyone. Okay, everyone. Okay, so can save on this number for the free consultation hours. Okay, so this will be New Zealand CHF. So we look into the next. Okay, New Zealand CAD. Okay, so next week we're going to see a drop as well. Okay, so the next buyer is going to wait over here. Okay, reaching here, but I think the opportunity to break down. Okay, of course, this drop means that CAD is in strong, because I believe that CAD is in strong is because of the crude oil effect, because Canada is related export crude oil export. Okay, so let's look into CAD. Okay, so CAD, as you can see, it advanced so much. The force is advancing so much. Okay, so this will be the critical area. Okay, critical area. So if you don't know what's critical area, so you may also WhatsApp us to claim that free consultation. Okay, this is the critical area. Okay, critical area. So this critical area, we're able to look for market. Maybe it have a drop to here, but what I'm seeing is in daily potential. But I'm not going to see this level, but I'm going to see in H4 to look for buy opportunity level. Okay, so which is the level I'm going to look into it is, okay, this level. Okay, by using this support. Okay, this level. So this level, I've seen it drop to this level. Okay, took around 40 pips. Maybe one day can achieve. Okay, and then usually if you have looked into the market for a very long time, you'll be seeing that usually Monday, let's say Friday, for the past week, market have keep on advancing a lot. So usually Monday until the night, until the evening time, entire Monday will be having a correction move. correction movement until somewhere, and then starting when the US market open, then we'll do boost it up by following a trend. So what I'm expecting is Monday morning or until evening time, the market will just retrace to this level. Okay, next will be CHF. So as you can see, CHF is in advancing. So those pair with CHF will be showing weakening. So CHF, okay, overall is an up, okay, and up, up, up. So this is my key level to buy. Okay, CHF, CHF, CAD, CHF. Okay, CAD, CHF is showing. Okay, range market. So yes, range market. So how you're going to trade is look for a buy at bottom, look for a sell at the top. Just that simple. But always follow the trend. As you can see, this is support, right? You buy, market going to break soon, right? My market going to break soon. So this drop will just trap all the support buyer here. So as you can see, a lot of time that when you are buying at the support, when you are selling at the resistance, you face so much of losses, but you are just keep on using that strategy. Not to say that strategy is not good, but you don't understand the human behavior. Even though no matter what holy grail strategy you're using, you're still going to facing the same problem because human behavior you're not understanding, and then just keep on using support resistance every time when you are facing. Every time when you are placing, which means you yourself, when you start, you place the trade, the market sure will go opposite of your side, which means you buy, then it must go for sell, which means break through your support line. Okay, so if you are really confusing and really upset of this situation, why this keep on happening in you, so you may come for our free consultation service. Okay, free consultation service. Okay, so this USD JPY. Okay, so for the past NHB data, we've seen that okay, dollar is in strengthening, but if you look into the chart, market overall is in downtrend. Yes, Friday itself, the news is showing a good sign of the market. So dollar is in a little bit appreciate, but appreciate until this level, seller will just come in for a sell trade. Okay. And then the next will be USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD. Okay, seeing the market going upward, so I'll be seeing market to reach this critical area and have a drop. Okay, the last will be USD CHF. Okay, USD CHF as this pair I've mentioned in NFP trade that day on Friday. You may check out on the live video in Facebook. So I mentioned that market this year a lot of sellers will come in because of reaching our key line. Okay, so market did really touch and drop. So same thing, I'll be waiting market to reach here and have a short trade. Okay, so again to be announced that if you wanted to have a 30-minute, okay, 30-minute free consultation, what you just need to do, you first step, you WhatsApp us at the number of say 018-288-2718, and then you type on a keyword. The keyword will be PA consultation, right? Consultation. Okay. So after you key in this, then I know that you wanted to have a 30-minute free consultation service. So I'll be giving you a work, and after you've done the work, then we can start the consultation. Okay. So this is for the upcoming week, which is upcoming week market analysis, which is the 10th of August until the 15th of August 2020. So I'm going to see you guys on the next live trading. So happy trading and safe trade.